What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be dyeing the lengths of my hair with a Strawberry Leopard Lavender Fog. I'm not quite sure how this is going to go, considering a lot of my hair is very like a dark blonde bordering orange. So I don't know, I figure worst case scenario it goes kind of muddier than I'd like, which would be fine because it's a temporary color and it will fade. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Also, I have some good news. I got a new job. I haven't started it yet. I'm working for the city of the major city I live outside of, so I'm gonna be like a city worker, which is obviously like good benefits and stuff. It is a temp to hire, so we'll see how it goes. You know, I gotta get through that temporary phase, and then hopefully I do get employed by the actual city. But yeah. I'm super stoked about it. Just wanted to share the good news with y'all. You know, I've been kind of searching for something a bit better than where I'm at. Even though I love my job, I love my coworkers, the people I work with, I love the store, I love our customers, I love helping people. But it's exciting to get in some more of a somewhat professional, hopefully like real career, you know? Something I can stick with for a long time to come. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up about that and get started with dyeing. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour, rinse in cold water, and come back to show you the results. Alright, here's the results, and I love it. Oh, it's not vibrant. It wasn't really meant to be. I've used this before on my daughter, and it was like a little brighter, but she also had lighter hair than me. But this is pretty much the best I could hope for considering what I started with. And definitely not mad about it. It's like a muted burgundy purple, I guess. And yeah, let me show you the back. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.